How often do you clean your mattress? Did you even know that you should be cleaning your mattress? Not only will cleaning your mattress rid it of toxins, clean it and freshen it up, but it can also help you to sleep better. In today's video, we will discuss an all-natural way to clean your mattress with a box of baking soda. Adding in some essential oils will make your bed smell better and feel more comforting. What do you need? 16 ounces of baking soda, essential oil, vacuum cleaner. What do you do? Before you start, be sure to flip or rotate your mattress. This is something that you should do about every 6 months or so. Wash your bedding in your washing machine and fluff any duvets in the dryer. Open your box of baking soda and add 10 to 20 drops of essential oil. Close the lid, hold tightly, and shake it up. Some of our most recommended essential oils are lavender, sandalwood, ylang-ylang, and ham oils, since they are all soothing scents. Essential oils also help to fight and kill germs. Next, sprinkle the baking soda mixture over your mattress. Use the entire 16-ounce box. Then rub the baking soda mixture into your mattress, making sure that you deeply clean it. Leave this mixture on your mattress for at least 1 hour. In that hour, use your time wisely and wipe down the walls around your bed and your bed frame. Once the hour has passed, vacuum the mattress slowly to be sure that all of the baking soda has been picked up. The baking soda mixture also gets dirt, moisture, and oily residue off of the mattress. The vacuum will also remove any dust mites, making the bed inviting, clean, and relaxing. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.